So what's up gentlemen, if you click this video you are come to the right place. So personally I always think like a billionaire. So today I am here my level up in fashion guys to tell you what are the habits of billionaire. If you want to level up your fashion, don't forget to subscribe during the intro. Number one is wake up earlier. Bro, I know my guys don't like to wake up earlier. I'm not telling your habit, I'm telling billionaire habits. Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Barack Obama, these people wake up at 4 a.m. But I'm not telling to you wake up 4 a.m. But I mean you need to wake up at least 6 a.m. Number 2, time boxing. If you want practice of billionaire habits, you need to manage your time. You need to understand time is very important. Time boxing is a time management technique that involve assigning a specific time frame to complete the task. How do it works? You schedule a specific amount of time in your calendar to work on a task and then evaluate your progress. So personally, I use these techniques. I recommend to you use time boxing method. Next one is reading book. Reading has improved my empathy and social skills. It can provide the knowledge, inspiration, and strategies to make informed financial decisions and develop the mindset needed for success. Number 4, hard work. If you want a successful man, there is no other way to than hard work. Do you know Elon Musk work hard 18 hours a day? You only see his money is successful. You never see he work hard 18 hours. You have nothing to do. Watch my videos again and again. Work hard. Last one is meditation. So personally, I do this. Our life wanted to peace and calm. When you in the peace and calm, you can increase your happiness. You can reduce your stress level. You can control your life. So this is 2025. Don't think about past. Don't think about future. Practice this habit. You can become a millionaire.